Welcome to my second vlog. We've come up to the Peak District for a couple of days camping, and we're just doing a little bit of a recce to see what we can find and see if we can pick up some photos tomorrow. So we're going to go and investigate. Going up here, hopefully there should be a nice little valley. Looking forward to going and seeing what I can find. What it says now. So we're walking down through Cressbrook Dale. I can't talk. So we're walking down through Cressbrook Dale, which is a national nature reserve. It's one of 5 dales, I think this says. This isn't going to work. We'll leave this bit. So we're currently walking through Cressbrook Dale. Unfortunately, I think we've actually left the recce a little bit late, and it's starting to get quite dark. The sunset didn't actually even turn into a lot, so we're just going to take a little walk along down this path here, see what views we might be able to see, and then come back tomorrow probably. So today hasn't exactly gone to plan. This morning we woke up quite early, looking forward to getting out and doing a bit more exploring in the morning light. Unfortunately, we got 45-mile-an-hour winds, and our tent has basically blown over in the night. 3 broken tent poles, and so we spent the morning packing up the tent and then going out and finding a nice little cafe for a fry up. So I suppose it wasn't all bad. A nice fry, actually it was one of the best fry ups I've had in a long time. Anyway, we've finally made it out. It is about 12 o'clock, so right at midday. Skies are not looking great, but I suppose it could add a bit of drama if we get a little bit of blue coming through. Gonna head up where we went yesterday, up to the valley. We're going to walk around the valley. I'm still hopeful we'll get a couple of photos, but it's not turning out how I'd hoped. So as you can see, it's quite grey and overcast. I just wanted to take the opportunity to get some shots down into the valley. There's some quite nice leading lines with the walls going downwards, but it's not quite what I'm hoping for. I've got it set to aperture priority mode. Just makes it a bit easier to get the shutter speed right, especially in sort of conditions like this. But I think let's carry on down. Let's see what else we can find down in the valley and see if we can find some more shots. So, found this nice sort of lone tree. It's making quite a nice composition. We've got the valley arching into the sides there. So I'm going to take a couple of shots at this. Again, I'm shooting in aperture priority mode. It's shooting at somewhere between 60th and 160th of a second, f11, ISO 100. So yeah, going to grab a couple of shots of this tree and take it from there. So I've just found quite a nice composition with this stone wall. I've managed to get a nice shot leading right up towards the valley, and yeah, I'm quite pleased with this one. It's probably one of the better ones from today. So yeah, really pleased with that. Hopefully if it's a nice shot, you'll see it on the screen any moment now. I just found another nice composition, so another stone wall going downwards, but yeah, this one I'm really pleased with again. But as you can probably hear and see, the wind and the rain have really kicked up. I'm probably gonna pack away now because I'm struggling to get any more shots. I've been shooting handheld most of the time just because I've been trying to get things done quickly today. Especially I've been out with the family. It's been a bit of a family hike as well as photography. So looking forward to seeing how these come out when I get home. And definitely a place to come back to when the weather's maybe a bit better. Come back and get some golden hour shots. I think it could actually be really, really beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to sign out. If you've enjoyed seeing me suffer and struggle a little bit today, then just comment below. Oh my goodness, comment below. Subscribe, like, and why not pop over and visit my Instagram, Charles Palmer Photos, and I'll try and reply to everyone that comments as much as I can. So hopefully I'll see you on one of the social platforms. Take care. Bye. Shortly after leaving Cressbrook Dale, the weather eased off a little bit, so we made the decision to carry on to Monsall Head and investigate what was there. So we just walked down to Monsall Head and we found this really nice little cascading waterfall. So I'm going to have a little hunt around, see if I can find a composition that I like. I'm not 100% happy with this one, and because the wind is so strong, I'm not sure how the trees are going to come out. So we might have to do 2 exposures. One for the trees and then one for the water. So I've just taken a photograph of the waterfalls at Monsall Dale, but unfortunately access down a bit closer is closed, so and it is so windy, I've decided I'm going to play it safe and just shoot from up here on this one. But anyway, I've taken a nice long exposure. It was at about 1/4 of a second. So I should get a nice little bit of movement on the water without it being too over exaggerated. So we've just arrived at the viaduct, and it's a really nice view. So getting a couple of shots here, doing a bracketed exposure, one for the sky, one for the bridge, just because the overcast sky is overexposing when I'm trying to get the shadows in the bridge. So yeah, probably the last shot of the day before I head off home. So hopefully I'll should be able to show this one to you when I get back.